Hi everyone, it's Susie. Welcome back. And if you're new to Dragonfly Beez Resell Journey, this video would be very helpful for you. It's general information with regards to purchasing something, what to do and what to expect. So I'll go over the buying process as well as the shipping, invoicing, and more. So let's see what this all entails. First off, in order to purchase an item, you need to be a subscriber. So there should be a subscribe button on the bottom right. Click on subscribe. It doesn't cost a thing. And then you also have to register. Email me at dragonflybeez@gmail.com, your real name, your YouTube name, your PayPal email address, and your shipping address. Next up, if you see an item that you would like to purchase through one of my pre-recorded videos, all you need to do is email me at dragonflybeez@gmail.com, include the date of the video, and any one of the following. Sometimes I assign a number to an item. You can just say the number, or give me a timestamp, a screenshot, or even a description of the item. If an item sells, I do create a sold list, and that is in the comment section. It's a pinned comment, so that means you'll see the sold list first. So you may want to check that to see if item is still available. And I also include them under the live sales. I don't have many live sales, but in the replay, you'll notice that there's also a sold list under that as well. If you wanted to see a replay, you would go to the home screen and click on the live tab. Next up, let's talk about invoicing. Currently, I only accept PayPal, and I normally invoice towards the end of the week, and payment is due within 48 hours, or your order will be canceled. Now, I can hold items longer. Just let me know. You can email me. And the items that are held will be invoiced without a shipping fee. So when you're ready to ship, the last invoice will include that fee. All right, let's talk about shipping. I use Pirate Ship. So for jewelry only, I charge a flat fee of $5, and that's anything under 1 pound. Anything over a pound, the cost will be determined by where you're located and the weight of the items. Non-jewelry items, well, that will be determined by location and weight as well. And I will charge you what USPS charges me. With international shipping costs, same concept. Determined by location and weight. I will let you know what that cost is and let you decide whether or not you want to continue. After payment is received, I normally ship your items on the next business day, and I email you the tracking information because I don't ship through PayPal. I ship via Pirate Ship. Now for my weekly schedule. Most of you know that I do have a full-time job, so I resell part-time. For the time being, I have pre-recorded videos that are posted every week on Sundays and Tuesdays at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Occasionally, you may get a pop-up video, time permitting, of course, and live sales, and hopefully guest invitations to other channels are to be determined. So that is my schedule thus far. A few more good to know items is don't ever hesitate to email me with any questions. Secondly, merchandise is sold as is. Jewelry, it is used. Some may be new, but it's not cleaned or repaired. And sales are final. Lastly, Dragonfly Beez Resell Limited is a business. I have years of customer service experience, and I aim to provide a satisfying client experience to each and every one of you. That's a wrap. Thank you for sticking around and watching the video. I hope I answered your questions. Thank you for your support. Please share my channel. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below. Perhaps you bought something from me. Comment about your client experience so others will know. Thanks, everybody. I will see you really soon. Take care. Bye now.